what you want to do.
Thank you, Mr. Sarkar, for sharing your excellent knowledge. As the session chairman pointed out at the outset, reduction in energy consumption and in turn carbon footprint is now mandatory to retain BOA approved for several decades to come. Getting this as cue, Abitec Energycon Limited has introduced a new product in the market as a catalyst to reduce the overall carbonization time, thereby achieving considerable energy conservation in coke oven battery operation. So the theme, Thermac Catalyst for Securing Energy Efficiency in Steel Industries, was originally written by Mr. Arkat Bhushan, but this will be presented by Mr. Ganesh Samant. He is Chairman and Managing Director of Abitec Energycon Limited. And after completing Bachelor of Engineering from Sardar Patel College of Engineering, he secured Masters in Technology in Material Science from IIT Mumbai.
This a lot of presentations where the average group of people must have passed their engineering is possibly when I was not born. So when I was going through their presentation, possibly I just felt that I am a very sort of a newcomer infant when I am talking about these technologies to the masters of the steel making. However, I will share you a few quick things about my company and our products. Abhi, as the name suggests, is a Hindi word. Abhi is the technologies which are for today, and tech comes for the technologies which are done for the recent technologies. So, and we started all the way back in year 97-98, where we are producing the catalyst for furnace oil and diesel, which we are producing for last 17 to 18 years. Thereafter, we have started producing catalyst for thermal power station, which are coal-based power plants. And when we started in 2005-2006, MSCB and WPCL was first one to use our products. But today we are proud to say that this Indian technology and our catalyst, they have been used by India's largest thermal power station, that is Tata Mundra 800 megawatt, by all their 4 units for last more than 1.5 years, mainly to address slag and clinker problems. We have got our own manufacturing unit in Himachal Pradesh, Baddi. We do not import any of the catalysts from any of the foreign companies. The entire innovation, technologies, ingredients are all Indian based. So we make our own products. We know what are our products. Abitec as a main flagship company has a turnover of more than 60 to 70 crores. Recently we have started making a system house for ABB, and the group turnover last year was around 150 crores. This year we are heading for around 200 crores, which is around $30-35 million for our foreign guests. All this innovation. So we are in all the sectors. More than 70 to 80 sugar mills are using our products. Steel industry, we are a new starter. Last 2.5 years we are in steel industry. And power sector. These are the existing companies. I will not go in details of what are our establishments and setup. Before going to the steel, we also have a product for Thermac, because before I came, I just found out that the steel plants in India, most of them have AFBC, CFBC, and some of them have pulverized fuel-fired boilers. So my friends, almost 70 to 80 installations in India using JK Group, Taj Group, Adani's, they are using our catalyst for coal combustion catalyst for reduction of the unburnt carbon and reduction of the excess air, enhancing the efficiencies, and also PF-fired units, which includes Tata, Adani's, and etc. Now coming to the steel sector, we have got basically, these are the catalysts developed mainly for the reduction processes. The first catalyst is Thermac MT, which is for coke manufacturing process. Second is Thermac BF for blast furnaces, and third is Thermac SI, which is for sponge line. And none of these catalysts have any capex or capital expenditure. So tomorrow if Tata or Adani's or any of the JSW or any of the users wants to use this product, there is no capital expenditure, and we conduct performance-based trials where the baseline data is first established for the period of 15 days to 30 days. And after establishing the baseline data, we add this catalyst for a period of 1 month to 2 months, in which the product efficacy is proven, and a part of your total generated profits is taken as a product cost. So it's always whichever is our technology, the client never faces any sort of additional incurred cost, and that talks we have done more than few crore rupees trial with different corporates like Tata's, Adani's, where we have supplied the products over a period of 3 to 4 months before establishing the performance. As that's Thermact Catalyst, when we started around 2.5 years back, it is first we were asked to go to RDCIS, which is a recognized laboratory of SAFE. And whenever we used to go to any of the steel plants, they used to say, if I put this and something goes to my furnace, what happens? Forget about the savings, so we don't want to use it. And same question was asked to us 7 years back by thermal power stations when we were struggling to get even 10 megawatt or 20 megawatt business. They were worried for the safety. Today, the fact the 800 megawatt and 600 megawatt Tatas and Adanis are using these products talks about the safety aspects. But as a convention, we were asked to go to RDCIS, and RDCIS has tested this product for its two aspects: for about what happens using this product, and second, are there any harmful gases, or are there any suddenly increase in the wall pressure, or is there any abnormal phenomena happening in the furnace because of the addition of Thermact. And they have given a detailed report. I cannot share because of the time constraints. I can share you when you can come to our stall, wherein this. Now the dosage, as you say, is in the range of 125 to 150 ppm. So if you take typically Thermact MT, we are talking 1 kg of the product is going in 7 tons of the composite. Similarly, Thermact BF, we are talking about CMI-FR, which is another testing laboratory. They have tested Thermact, and for 1 kg it is same 125 to 150 ppm. So the dosages of the products are very dilute. It is hardly anything when you are talking about huge quantities of coke and coal consumed. Similarly, if you come up the benefits, Thermact MT, different people look at it from different point. Today, people say that we don't want to produce more because we don't want to sell more. So you can look at using this product to reduce the effective blend cost of your coal. Secondly, if the market improves and when you want to go for a more production, Thermact can be used to enhance your production for 4 to 5%. We reduce your total carbonization time. And third is the total energy input given to the oven. If you reduce your time of the coking oven from 22 to 21 or 20, or in case of the other furnaces from 40 to maybe 38 or 37, that much energy input is reduced without affecting your exit parameters, without affecting the quality of coke. So this is about MT. When we talk of BF, we effectively talk of reducing the 2 to 4% of coke consumption and increased rate of iron ore. So Tata Spongean has been tried this product. First they tried to reduce our other variation to reduce the coal from the injection side. Then they went smart and they say, don't worry about the coal, let's try to increase the production wherein we can get multiple benefits, and they are using the product regularly. Similarly, improved temperature profile in the blast furnace, which all the advantages of these are known. Thermact SI, as you said, more yield of CO and H2. It increases the ash fusion temperature, thus it increases the effective operating diameter of the kiln because of the reduction in the ash of the accretion, and also the coal consumption can be reduced in the tune of 2 to 5%. The dosages, very simple, no capital expenditure. Again, we are giving a simple hopper feeder assembly which directly adds the catalyst into the coal tar. The carrier is activated activated carbon, which is a simple powder on which different catalysts are absorbed and adsorbed. So when it enters the furnace, the action starts. Similarly, the blast furnace, this is typical photo at CSN, where the Thermact BF is added directly into the silo, where is again the addition process is very simple. This we are given 1 kg for 6,000. This is in Brazil. We have got schematic diagram for Thermact SI, which is again we can add it in the injection side. So all these products, the point which I want to tell is they are added without any stoppages of the plant. We have to take stop, or we don't have to take any extra care for dosing of these products, and they can be added into the system. If we go today the list of big clients, Thermact MT we are relatively new, but the first breakthrough we got it in Bengal Energy, which is close to, they are taking a product close to 5 to 6,000 kgs per month, which means 8,000 multiplied by 8, almost 64,000 metric tons of coal every month is treated. Their managing director, Mr. Vishal Maheshwari, is a known name in the coke making industry. He is a hardcore technocrat and a highly successful businessman, and this times also is surviving very well. He has given us a first breakthrough, and he has found out a lot of benefits, out of which few says he will not share because I will increase the cost of the product. So today we are supplying last 3 to 4 months to Bengal Energy. Tata Sponge, they are using Thermact SI in their units. CSN Brazil, we could not sell this product commercially as of now in India, but we are very proud to say that Thermact MT and Thermact BF are successfully tried in CSN. We can give you the certificate of usage, and which are producing annually 5 million tons of the hot metal. This is a typical certificate given by CSN. They have got an improved drum index, improved gas generation and BTF production, and they are using it regularly. They are going for more and more trials. Similarly, for the blast furnace, they are able to reduce 7.5 kg per ton. So if you see what is the cost of the product, it is around 0.5% of your cost, 0.4 to 0.5, whereas the enhancements are in the range of 2 to 3%. So the net effective ROI to the client without any investments, our minimum reply is 100%. This was my last slide, sir. So I am possibly you should give me a reward to possibly do the first presentation in time. IDC has institutional approvals. We have got the copies for on Thermact and CMS. Thank you very much.